So, ito, bigyan kita ng sample illustration, no? Medyo ang daming details, pero bigyan kita ng preview. So, kunyari ito, isang policy na kinuha ng insured male, 30 years old na non-smoker. So, ang face amount na kinuha niya is 1 million and the riders na sinama niya are TDB and ADB. Annual premium niya is 226,380. This is a 10-year paying plan only. So, kung makikita niyo sa ibaba, age 30 to 39, yun yung kanyang paying period. While during the paying period, at the end of the 6th year, which is the 36, doon na mag-i-start yung pagbibigay ng guaranteed cash benefit natin na equal to 6% of the face amount. So, magkano ba ang 6% ng 1 million? Hindi mo na kailangan i-calculate. 60,000 pesos. So, by age 36 onwards, throughout the lifetime of the insured, makakatanggap siya ng 60,000 pesos yearly. Ito yung tinatawag nating guaranteed cash benefit or again, the endowment payout. Pwede niyang kunin to yearly, pwede rin niyang iiwan sa company para mag-accumulate. So, again, meron tayong tinatawag na centenarian bonus, yung age 80, 85, 90, and 95. So, dyan matatanggap yung 25% of the face amount. 4 instances yung matatanggap ni insured kung sakaling aabot siya sa ganyang age, of course. Ano ba ang 25% of 1 million? Of course, 250,000. So, kahit i-calculator mo pa, yan ang lalabas. So, 250,000 ang matatanggap niya at least 4 instances kung aabot siya ng until the covered age or until age 100. Again, yung maturity benefit na sinabi na natin kanina, ano yung mga matatanggap niya, andyan yung guaranteed cash value, the cash benefit, the accumulated dividend. So, lahat yan ibibigay yan kay policy owner or kay insured kapag nag-mature na yung policy.